Howdo, I'm Chris, welcome to King Bespoke Creations. Today we are looking at the Dremel multi-cutting kit. So this is a really simple piece of kit. We screw this onto the bottom of your Dremel and basically it turns it into a mini router. But it's so small that it means you can use it up and down walls for cutting out plaster and all kinds of idly fiddly little bits like that. Let me show you how it works. So firstly, we're going to fit one of the bits. You actually get 3 router bits coming with. 2 of them that I believe are for going straight through plaster and cutting nice holes through plaster walls. And then we've got a flat-nosed router bit here, kind of an up spiral cutter. So that's the one we're going to use today. So first thing is just to take this little collar off. And then we'll fit the bit. Do use the spanner on this, it gets it just that bit better than finger tight. And I have lost a few bits because I've been lazy and not used that, so do use one of those. Right, all we need to do then is screw this on. So slide that over the top, use that plastic thread, and we can just finger tight that. And there we go. So then we can slide this up and down from here. There are measurements on the collar here, so we could center this point off and work to there. So set your depth, tighten this up, and then it's just a matter of it standing up and working through from there. Well, there you go. So a super easy way to turn your little Dremel into a little router. Really simple and lots of uses. Like I say, you can then use this on walls because it's so small. Little inlay sections that you might want to do as well in little pieces of woodwork. What a glorious little bit of kit. I'll put some links in the description. Go and check those out if you want to go and grab yourself one of these or find out a little bit more from the Dremel website. Until next time, take care, God bless.